Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Market watchers, take note. The coming days will showcase an economic calendar filled with impactful data. These reports could steer asset prices, influence investor sentiment, and create new trading patterns. Each data point provides a potential pivot for market direction. Make sure to stay informed and prepared for whatever the next few days may bring.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold prices notched their steepest daily fall in 5 years, as investors booked profits after expectations of U.S. interest rate cuts and sustained safe haven demand drove the metal to a record high in the previous session. The yen eased to a one-week low after hardline conservative Sanai Takaichi was elected as Japan's prime minister, with traders betting her government could muddy the interest rate outlook and bring about a greater fiscal large. Galaxy Digital reported strong third-quarter earnings results, driven primarily by higher trading activity and continued expansion in asset management, signaling steady institutional interest in crypto-focused financial services.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar rose 0.7% against the yen in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillators is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair fell in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the oil gain 0.9% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.